Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to study one of the most important topics of special education, intellectual disability. In this video, we will cover meaning, definition, terminology, characteristics, causes, classification, level of support, diagnosis, assessment, educational implementation, teaching strategies, IEP, role of special educator, RPWD Act, previous year MCQs. Intellectual disability is not a disease. It is a neurodevelopmental disability that begins during childhood. And in intellectual disability means significant limitations in intellectual functioning. And in intellectual functioning, it includes reasoning, problem solving, planning, abstract thinking, judgment, academic learning, learning from experience. And second one is adaptive behavior. In adaptive behavior, it includes communication, money management, personal hygiene, decision making, social interaction, safety, independent living. According to AAIDD, AAIDD stands for American Association on Intellectual and Developmental Disability. एंड इसके अकॉर्डिंग इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी की डेफिनेशन है इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी इज characterized by significant limitation in intellectual functioning and adaptive behavior expressed in conceptual, social, and practical adaptive skill, and the disability originates before the age of 18 years. टर्मिनोलॉजी मीन्स जो हम प्रीवियस टर्म्स हम इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी से पहले हम यूज़ करते थे वो थी मेंटल रिटार्डेशन, मेंटली हैंडीकैप्ड, फेबल माइंडेड. ये सब टर्म्स अब आउटडेटेड और इनअप्रोप्रिएट हैं, तो अब हमने इसको इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी के नाम से जानते हैं. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को हम 5 सब पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं: कॉग्निटिव, लैंग्वेज, एकेडमिक, सोशल एंड एडेप्टिव बिहेवियर. पहले कॉग्निटिव कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में हम इंक्लूड करते हैं स्लो लर्निंग, पुअर मेमोरी, डिफिकल्टी इन अटेंशन, पुअर रीजनिंग, डिफिकल्टी सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम्स, सोल्व processing speed, difficulty in abstract thinking. And in language characteristics, we include delay speech, limited vocabulary, difficult understanding language, poor sentence formation, communication problem. And in academic characteristics, we include difficulty in reading, writing, mathematics, concept formation, generalization, retention. And in social characteristics, we include immature behavior, difficult making friends, poor social judgment, dependency, difficulty understanding emotions. And in adaptive behavior characteristics, we include difficulty in dressing, eating, money management, traveling, self-care, daily routine, independence, living. कॉजेज ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी. इसके कॉजेज हैं, मेन कॉजेज 3 हैं: प्रीनेटल, पेरीनेटल एंड पोस्टनेटल. मीन्स प्रीनेटल जो जन्म से पहले जब बच्चा माँ के पेट में होता है, पेरीनेटल होता है एट द टाइम ऑफ डिलीवरी, एंड पोस्टनेटल होता है डिलीवरी के बाद का टाइम. तो प्रीनेटल कॉजेज में क्या होता है: जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर, डाउन सिंड्रोम, मैटरनल इन्फेक्शन, अल्कोहल, स्मोकिंग, ड्रग अब्यूज, माल न्यूट्रिशन, रेडिएशन. एंड पेरीनेटल कॉजेज में होता है प्रीमैच्योर बर्थ, बर्थ इंजरी, लो बर्थ वेट, लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, डिफिकल्टी डिलीवरी. एंड पोस्टनेटल कॉजेज में होता है ब्रेन इन्फेक्शन, हेड इंजरी, माल न्यूट्रिशन, पॉइजनिंग. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी अकॉर्डिंग टू IQ. माइल्ड में 50 to 69 रेंज, moderate में 35 to 49, severe 20 to 34, and profound below 20. Diagnosis assessment includes clinical history, developmental history, medical examination, IQ assessment, adaptive behavior assessment, observation, teacher report, and parents interview. असेसमेंट टूल्स हैं बेसिक MR, MDPS, उपन्या, आरंभ, ग्लैड, FACP टूल. अगर आपको इन टूल्स के बारे में डिटेल में जानना है तो प्लीज़ मेरे को कमेंट में बताइए, मैं इनकी एक अलग वीडियो बना दूंगी. एजुकेशनल implications are individualized teaching, concrete learning experiences, visual materials, hands-on activities, life skills education, functional academics, repeated practice, positive reinforcement. Teaching strategies are: use simple language, teach one concept at a time, Break tasks into small steps, use visual aids, provide repetition, use task analysis, give immediate feedback, use reinforcement, encourage peer tutoring, teach functional skills, generalize learning, maintain consistency. IEP stands for Individualized Education Program. It's include present level of performance, annual goals, short-term objectives, teaching strategies, assistive devices, assessment plan, parents participation and review schedule. Next है role of special educator. Assessment, screening, curriculum adaptation, preparation of IEP, behavioral management, parent counseling, collaboration with therapist, progress monitoring, inclusive classroom support, documentation, advocacy. So friends, that's all for today. I hope this complete session has helped you understanding the topic in a simple exam oriented way. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment your doubts or the next topic you had like me to cover. Share it with your friends who are preparing for teaching exams, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss upcoming lectures. Thank you so much for watching this video and do subscribe the channel.